how to log in Facebook using your mobile number. So if you want to log in on your Facebook using your mobile number, then first of all open up your Facebook application, and now you need to go for the login page, or it will automatically take you to your login page. So what you can do is here, on the first blank you need to enter your mobile number or your email address. So instead of entering your email address, you need to enter your mobile number for now. And after entering your mobile number, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgotten password, and then you can simply reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password. And after entering your password, simply tap on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your Facebook using your phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.